Hello children, I hope all of you are doing good job at home. So let's start our today's maths class. Today we are going to discuss about measurement of length using non-standard units. Children, non-standard units of measurement can be any item that can be used to measure something. Any item that can be used to measure something is non-standard unit of measurement. For example, your pennies, paper clips, beans, shoes, straw, etc. All these are non-standard units of measurement. So children, let's talk about some important non-standard units of measurement. See children, we can measure length with the help of body parts. Yes, with the help of body parts we can measure length. These are also called as non-standard units of measurement. These non-standard units of measurement give us a rough estimate of length, and children, they differ from person to person. Let us take some examples. See children, first example is hand span. Now what is hand span? It is a distance between the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger. This distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger in a stretched hand is known as hand span. See children, see the example of hand span. For example, we are measuring the edge of this table by using hand span. So, this table is about 5 hand spans. Next example is cubit. Children, it is the distance between the tip of the finger to the elbow, to the tip of the fingers to the elbow. This is your cubit. See the example. The length of this bamboo stick is about how much cubit? This is your bamboo stick. This is your 1 cubit. From here to here, this is your 1 cubit. And this is your full bamboo stick. So, the length of this bamboo stick is 1, 2 and 3. 3 cubits. Right children? So, let's move on. Next is fingers. Children, it is the unit of distance that is equal to the width of 4 fingers. These 4 fingers that are closely pressed together. The fingers are closely pressed together. Right? Let's take an example. See, we are measuring the length of this notebook. This is your 4 fingers. These are your 4 fingers. So let's measure the length of the notebook. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this means the length of this notebook is about 4 fingers. Children, next is space. Now what is space? It is a distance between 2 successive foots. Right? And 1 pace is equal to 2 steps. Let's take an example. See children, the length of this cricket pitch is about, this is your cricket pitch and this length is about, let's count, is about 22 paces. We have count this and this is 22 paces. So the length of this cricket pitch is about 22 paces. Children, next is palm. It is a unit of distance equal to the length of hand from the wrist to the end of middle finger. From the wrist to end of the middle finger. This distance from wrist to middle finger. This distance is palm. Let's take an example. See, the length of the scale is about 3 palms. This is your first palm, second palm and then third. So its length is about 3 palms. So now let's talk about some other non-standard units of measurement. Let us use some paper clips and straws to measure few objects. See children, these are your paper strips and these are your straws. Let us use these two things to measure some objects. See, this is your book, and we are using paper clips to measure the length of this book. Like, see, this is your first paper clip, then second, third, fourth. So in this way we have used 15 paper clips. We have used 15 paper clips from here to here. It means the length of the book is 15 paper clips, right? Because we have used 15 paper clips, so the length is 15 paper clips. Now see, this is your blackboard. Now we are measuring the breadth of blackboard with the help of straw. Now this is your first straw, then second, then third, and then fourth. It means the breadth of blackboard is 4 straws, right? So children, anyone measuring this with same paper clip and same straw will find the same answer. If you are using the same paper clip and same straw, your answer is same. Now let's see some more examples. Children, see, this is your crayon. Now how many paper clip long is the crayon? We are measuring the length of this crayon with the help of paper clips. Now this is your first paper clip, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. It means the crayon is about 7 paper clips. Crayon is about 7 paper clips, right? So now children, there are some rules to follow when you are using non-standard units of measurements, and these rules are very much important. First is, the objects that you are using must be of the same size, right? The objects that you are using must be of the same size. Second is, always start at the edge and not in the middle, and make sure that there is no overlapping or no gaps. These are very important rules to remember when you are measuring something using non-standard units of measurement. What is your first rule? The objects that you are using must be of the same size. And second is, always start at the edge, not in the middle. And make sure that there is no overlapping and there is no gap. I hope you understand this. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.